Hello and welcome. I am at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. Here is a really nice, unusual motorhome, Carbon 595 from Atlantis. It comes at a cost of 156,367, 6-meter motorhome. And right, so it'll fit into small spaces. And at the back, you can see it's got this really nice rear lounge. Right, up front, obviously, I haven't got much space in here, so you don't have a forward-facing bench or a table there, and that I think makes a lot of sense. Note, you can even turn the driver's seat round. Driver's seat's the captain's seat. I would have thought it wasn't absolutely essential, but it's nice to have them doing that. Let's have a look in here first. If I can open the door, that is. 6-meter motorhome. Look at the size of that shower. Absolutely enormous. So very elegant. And I've only said twice that this is a 6-meter motorhome, so I'm going to say it again. We've even got a window there, so you can keep an eye on what's going outside. We have here electric cooking. One of them I think is 1 kilowatt, the other one's 1.3. Okay, you're going to need a bit more power on your battery capacity for that. Here's a kitchen extension, elegant kitchen block, USB here, shore power 230 there, fridge over here from Italian manufacturer off. Best noted for their 12-volt air conditioning system, which I think is very clever. And in here we have a very large storage for clothes. Right, Dometic aircon up there, and this is a Mappa bed. I don't think I'm going to get this thing to come down because it appears that the key's not there. I'll just press it in. No, it's okay. Right, I did make an effort, but it's not there. It's an unusual thing here at the back. Look at that. You've got this space here created by removing this. Why is that there? They will have a look at that from outside. But a very, very good rear lounge. Admittedly, it could do with windows at either side, and I'll mention that to them as I go out, because the lounge, you want to have a look at what's happening outside as a rule. And note also there is this double floor, which I've got technical stuff. I'm not going to take it up. Technical stuff in the double floor. As I come backwards, you can see also double floor. And let's come outside. This here is the garage. Right, so what can you do here? You can actually change this here. This will all move up to create the garage in which you could put, well, you wouldn't get your bike in there, but you could get quite a lot of stuff. If you don't want to have this opened, then it doesn't have to be opened. It is something which just gives additional functionality. Very original. Carbon fiber, although more expensive than fiberglass, is more durable. It's got more elasticity at the same time as well. Note there's also the door in the garage there. I'm going to press the button. You can see it's made in Italy. So there you can see this will come out, and there you have the garage there as well. I know it's a rather odd feature. Right, look, there's lots of people around and I am getting in their way, but it's the only chance I've got because today is Sunday. It's the last day of the event. Normally the weekend I wouldn't film, but last day, no choice. It's either today or you're not going to see it. I think it's quite a very attractive vehicle. I do appreciate, of course, that the price is very high, and that a large part of that price is in fact it's the build of it. It's the monocoque, which is much more expensive to produce than gluing walls together as you normally get with non-monocoque motorhomes. I need to point out as well is whereas the advantage is that it's less likely to develop a leak, because most leaks happen in the seals between one wall and the other. You can also get other problems with the monocoque, which you might not actually get with the gluing the walls together. On the whole, I prefer monocoque, but it's not 100% if you like better than the traditional way of doing things. Trying to put things fairly. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. I'm sorry it was so quick, but you can see the circumstances I've got here. Bye for now.